So Mara is, in other words, the dragon of darkness. Lucifer, the tempter.
Good morning, friends. How is everybody today? Hope well. And all everything you're doing, hope you're well. Anyways, let me just get right into it. 1966 Chevrolet truck. This is going to go out of here very soon.
Of course,
right here. Right here is where the upper control arms mount. But I made a slight mistake, and I will not make this again. My friend Mike, he wanted to come and help me disassemble this truck a year and a half ago. And he pulled apart these upper and lower control arms. And let me just catch you up on this if you don't remember. These upper control arms have a concave area right there that requires a special washer. Now, I looked all over for this washer and all the boxes and crates and storage containers, and I can't find them. And of course, he won't remember. But I also remember he helped me pull apart a 928 motor because I just, quote, didn't have time. But what I missed out in that is by me not having hands and eyes on something, I missed that opportunity to learn. So I will not do that again. Excuse me. I will not do that again. So, because this truck's going out of here and the owner has no more money, which is fine, no problem with that, I'm making these temporary spacers that will go on the outside.
Take those harmful elements.
They'll go on the outside right here. However they fit, we'll see how they fit in here best. And they'll go on there, and the bolt will go right up to that. So this has been the thing that's been holding me up for a little bit, not too long though. So now I'm just gonna put the upper arms on, use the spring compressor and compress the coil springs right there with the spring compressor tool right there. Compress this and tie the upper ball joint to the spindle right here. So then I'll put the tires and wheels on and get ready to put the cab on and put everything in the vehicle, everything in the bed, and invite the owner to come get his vehicle. So anyways, remember, coil springs are dangerous. They will hurt you, and I will be very careful as I undertake to compress these springs right now. So be good, folks. Be good. See you later. Bye-bye.